listen to me. It is a spiritual thing, I don't know. But it is real. You can't take it to joke. Because I never know I would have it, and I never know I would end up in here. You cannot take COVID for a joke. God made me make it touch me, to make people know, say, COVID real. The nurse them work around the clock. You have to pray for them. They have their life and take care of me. Jesus and good God, no know. And I see the doctors, they are coming in. One day and the other. Nurse clean you up. Nurse encourage you to bathe yourself. Push. Very good service. God knows. And take good care of them patients. And make sure say you come in here to live. And they reach themselves. Sometimes you lie down here and watch them. Oh God. I take off the changes that close the door. They're not scan you. Jesus. Jesus.